Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Embarking on underwater adventures just got a significant upgrade with the advanced 4K VR underwater drone with robotic arm Evo standard. This state-of-the-art marine exploration tool is truly designed to bring the ocean's hidden wonders right before your eyes, making it an exceptional choice for both seasoned professionals and enthusiastic aquatic hobbyists. One of the standout features is its immersive 4K video recording capability. Equipped with a high-resolution camera, this drone captures stunning footage, offering an unparalleled visual experience of the underwater world. Complementing the video is an effective still resolution of 4,000 pixels, ensuring crisp and detailed photographs of marine life and environments. Exploration depth is impressive, thanks to its extended operating range. It comes with a robust remote control system and a generous 100-meter cable, allowing users to delve deeper into the water than many standard devices. This range opens up possibilities for exploring various depths and discovering more of the underwater landscape. Durability is also a key aspect of this drone. It's built to withstand a wide range of temperatures, from a chilly -10 degrees Celsius all the way up to a warm 60 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for diverse aquatic environments. Powering these explorations is a long-lasting battery. With a powerful 9,000 mAh capacity, users can enjoy up to 4 hours of continuous exploration time on a single charge, providing ample opportunity to capture footage and navigate. The intuitive FPV performance is another highlight. It offers real-time, first-person view performance with seamless Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for precise control and an immersive piloting experience. Users can see exactly what the drone sees as it navigates through the water. Adding a unique layer of functionality is the special feature, a robotic arm. This arm provides the capability to interact with the underwater environment, whether it's collecting samples, retrieving objects, or assisting with various tasks, adding significant utility beyond just observation. This underwater drone proves incredibly versatile, ideal for a wide array of applications. From serious marine research and professional underwater photography to recreational diving, fishing assistance, exploring vibrant coral reefs, monitoring delicate marine life, or even searching for potential sunken treasures, its capabilities make it a valuable companion. Its user-friendly design, combined with these advanced features, truly makes it accessible and effective for anyone looking to explore beneath the surface. This drone offers a transformative way to experience the ocean, providing detailed insights and stunning visuals like never before.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.